Hey everybody, it's me. Just being lazy, enjoying a day off. It's really beautiful outside, as you can see. What a beautiful day. Gotta love the state of Florida, you know? So, I've been up since 5 because a little one over there decided it was time for me to get up, and then again at 9. So now that he's sleeping, I think it's time for us to wake him up. Let's do it. Where's he at? There he is. Kizzy! Kizzy! Wake up! Wake up! Get up! Get up! Meow! Meow! See? How's it sound, huh? Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, baby! Nah, you ain't going back to bed. Get up. Get up. Wake up. You do it to Daddy. Daddy does it to you. I'm gonna come over here with pots and pans next time. Say hi. Oh, quit purring. You're not supposed to enjoy this. Gizzy! Say hi, Gizzy! 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 I know you're confused as hell. Well, so am I when you wake me up. What are you meowing about? You little lazy bum. Don't you go back under there. Hey! Oh, shh. Gizzy! Come here, wake up! Come here. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to all your fans. Aww. Aww. You ready to be up now, huh? You wake Daddy up. You ready to be up? You going next to your bottle of hot water now? I know it's Coca-Cola, but it's really just hot water. He loves it. Come here. Come here. Wake up. It's a beautiful day. It's like a little kiddie obstacle course on here. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Gizzy. Where you going, huh? You coming to me? What are you trying to get from me, huh? Oh, you want your bottle, huh? Well, I want $1 million. What are you doing? Hmm? Don't lick me. I'm trying to be cute. Meow. Getting so big. Meow. Baby. What's wrong, huh? What's wrong? What's wrong? Alright, alright. There's his basket. He's apparently too good for his basket now. He feels like he's deserves a whole bed now, so he's got a whole air mattress to himself. Meow! Uh-oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Timber! Antibiotic ointment. Got a little rash in his belly. He's a smoker too, see? You want your fix, huh, junkie? Huh, junkie? Aww. Okay, I'll get your box. Alright, well, you guys probably don't want to see this, so boring as usual. He's flipping out over this thing lately. Look at this. There you go, buddy. Get you some, get you some, get you some. Look at him flipping. Goes crazy over this thing. It's like his crack. Gizzy, open your mouth. Look at him, he holds his little bottle and everything. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Aww. Alright, well, we're gonna let you guys go while he's junking out. Say bye, baby. Gizzy, say bye. Say bye. Bye.